Hello, today we start with geometric sequences, or in short, what we call GPs, geometric progressions. Right, here we have a new formula for finding the nth term. Okay, it reads Tn equals AR to the power of n minus 1. So, as in arithmetic progressions, Tn gives you the term at any position. It could be 1, 2, 3, it could be 10, 20, 30. Okay, equals A, we already know, stands for the first term in the sequence. R, we have learned, is how we identify a geometric progression. So it's called the common ratio. And we calculate that by taking a term and dividing it by the previous term. And then, as in the arithmetic progression, n stands for the position in which a term appears. Okay, so there's nothing really new here. We by now know all of these terms. Okay, so if we look at the example, the question is, what is the sixth term in the sequence 2, 1, and 1/2? So now for geometric progressions, people, I want you to identify all the given and asked information. Identify the information. That's how I taught you with the arithmetic progressions as well. Okay, so the question is, what is the sixth term? All right, so they're asking you a term which really is at place number 6. So they ask you T6. Okay, A is the first term which we got, which is 2. Okay, the ratio is not yet given, but we can work that out. Remember, we work it out by Tn divided by Tn minus 1, where this one is the previous term. So we can work that out taking term 2, which is 1, and we can divide it by term 1, which is the previous one. So that gives me 1/2. You could also just have taken term 3, which is 1/2, divide that by the previous one, which is 1, so that is still 1/2. Okay, and then they're asking, what is the sixth term? So this gives you a position, isn't it? So n equals 6. Right. Now, as normal, you will start with your basic formula. And now we can just simply substitute. So Tn, people, is asked, so that remains Tn. Okay, equals. In the place of A, you will write a 2. Okay, times. In the place of R, we will write 1/2. So that is then 1/2 to the power of, in the place of n, we will write 6 and then minus 1. Okay, now if you look at the right-hand side, you can actually put this into your calculator, or you can just go and calculate step by step. First, to do the bracket. So that is 6 minus 1, which gives me an index of 5, isn't it? So it's 1/2 to the power of 5. And then we still got the 2 times 1/2 to the power of 5. And if you put that into your calculator will give you an answer of 1/16. All right, so let's just go through again. It is now a geometric progression where the formula for finding the general term, the Tnth term, equals AR to the power of n minus 1. So once again, people, you must learn this formula. You must just simply know it by mind, because it will not be given to you. Okay? Then in this case, they're giving us the first 3 terms, and they're asking you what is the 6th term. So they're basically asking T6, all right? So that's a question mark. Then identify your A, work out your R, identify your N. Then we just simply substitute into the formula. After having substituted, we just simply calculate, and when we calculate, we get the sixth term equals 1/6. So if we would go on, this is the first term, second term, third term, we would 4 and 5 and 6. At the sixth position, your value would be 1/16. That's what you have worked out now.